Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble drink at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need tapioca pearls, your favorite tea, black or green works wonderfully, and a sweetener like sugar or honey. Don't forget your milk or creamer, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook those delicious tapioca pearls. Bring a generous amount of water to a rolling boil in a pot. Carefully add your tapioca pearls, stirring gently to prevent sticking. Cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are perfectly soft and chewy. Once cooked, drain and rinse them under cold water, then soak them in a simple syrup to keep them sweet and separate. With your pearls ready, it's time to assemble your drink. First, brew your tea and let it cool slightly. Stir in your preferred sweetener until it's fully dissolved. Next, add your milk or creamer to the sweetened tea. Now, spoon a generous amount of your cooked and sweetened tapioca pearls into the bottom of your serving glass. These chewy additions are what make bubble tea so unique. To finish, fill your glass with ice, then pour the prepared tea and milk mixture over the tapioca pearls. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the wonderful flavors and textures. Insert a wide straw, and your homemade bubble tea is ready to enjoy. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after your bubble tea adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.